Alright, look guys. Look where I'm at. This is the elevator at the Biltmore Greensboro Hotel in downtown Greensboro, North Carolina. I recorded this video back in 2017 and 5 years later, I'm back again. This elevator has officially turned 102 years old. So that is over more than 100 years officially already. As you can see, they replaced the call button with an Otis Bakelite. Anyways, I love that old elevator sign hanging up on the chain. Anyways, let's give this thing a ride. But this elevator is a Warner elevator from 1920. Is your interlock right there? Jason has recently recorded this elevator before, also known as STL elevators. It's like it's not leveled all the way, or under leveled. Still original as of 2022. Look at these fixtures. Warner elevator. This is awesome. Alright, let's go to 3. Here we go. This thing's a beauty. As you look up here, it's your original call button, and I did not mean to slam that gate. It's your original call button right there. I try not to let the gate slam because that gate was really loud. I absolutely love this piece of beauty. I want to say a huge thanks to the amazing staff for letting me check out this piece of beauty. All right, let's get on to 1. Stops with a bump. Anyways, we're gonna need to take this for another ride. This is definitely by far one of my absolute most favorite elevator here in Greensboro. This thing is a true treasure. Look at these fixtures. You got your, I believe, oh, there's a light switch. Partially turns off. I did not mean to almost flip that switch. I almost thought it was a light switch for a sec. But anyways, listen to this. Here we go. I'm not sure if you can barely see, but look at that. I just noticed this. The gate is spring loaded. Look at this. See that? See the spring moving up there? Look at that. This is a spring loaded gate. Anyway, sadly, the rest of the old elevators here in Greensboro sadly are gone, especially that old Otis Black Button elevator from 1964 at the Piedmont building. Both Andrew and Jason has filmed, and including, I believe, the Little Rubik's 1 or 22408 Aaron, I can't remember. But anyways, There's another view of these fixtures. Certificate. See, this elevator is from 1920. This elevator just recently had its 102nd birthday, like, not too long ago. This is amazing. All right, let's go back down to 1. Love these fixtures. You hear the mechanics. I love these fixtures. Anyways, I think we'll go for one more ride and then I'm going to end the video down at the bottom. I'm gonna watch from this side right here. It stops very smoothly going up, but it stops quite rough going down. All right, we'll go back down to one end there. It stops with a bump. All right. I have to use this handle because that handle right there is so heavy. Looks like it leveled nicely that time.
That is correct.
Alright, now I'm gonna try to make sure I don't slam this gate right here.
If we're supposed to get 60 and then Otis 20, that means it should have been 80 of them.
There's one last cavity. This thing is awesome. I'll have to write this again next time I'm back here. This thing is an absolute treasure. I don't think you can see up the shaft other than that spring-loaded gate. You see? That spring-loaded door operator. See, look at that. You see the spring up there.
So many people that do it.
Alright, we're gonna close the gate gently. Alright, now we'll close this door. Alright,